Wadekar and Patodi enter into a joint venture to develop some building sites and sell them on the understanding that the result of the venture would be shared in the ratio of 4:5 between them. So here they both are, watch here, they develop building site. Building site means here plots. Okay, so dota hola tagotare. They'll purchase agri land or land in acres, and they divide that into small plots where a house can be built, and they sell them off. And when they entered into this joint venture, they agreed to divide the profit or loss in the ratio of 4:5. So here Wadekar takes 4 parts out of 9, and Patodi takes 5 parts out of 9 parts. And it is also agreed that any cash investment they make in the venture would be entitled to interest at 10% per annum. That means here, if they invest anything, even if they invest one single rupee in the venture, it is entitled for 10% interest per annum. Per annum. Okay, for 1 year they will get 10% interest. If their investment is invested for 5 months, then they will get interest for 5 months. It is invested for 1 month, means they will get interest for 1 month. Okay, so I will continue. They choose a 5 acres agricultural plot and purchased it for 60,000 rupees. So it is wrongly mentioned there as a plot. Agricultural land. They choose 5 acres agricultural land for per plot and purchased it for rupees 60,000. Here, for 60,000, they purchased a plot, a land, agricultural land of 5 acres. They approached a nationalized bank, which agreed to finance them to the extent of 80% of the cost at 16% interest per annum. Here, they purchased land for 60,000 rupees. 60,000. They purchased agricultural land here, and for purchase of that agri land, they approached to a nationalized bank, and a bank agreed to sanction a loan for 80% of the land here. So land costs 60,000. 80% of land cost here, that is 80 divided by 100. 80%, that is 80 divided by 100. So how much loan sanctioned by the bank here? Here bank sanctioned 60,000 into 80 divided by 100, that is 48,000 rupees. Bank sanctioned 48,000. So here there is a shortage of 12,000 rupees. That 12,000 rupees would be paid by joint venture here, or maybe any of the co-ventures. So I will read further. And that 48,000 is entitled for 16% interest per annum. The buying arrangements were finalized on 1st July 2017. This date is important here. On 1st July 2017, they made purchase of that agri land, and the vendors are paid off on the same day. That means on 1/7/2017 itself, the seller of agri land is paid entire amount, 60,000 rupees. 48,000 is sanctioned by bank, and remaining 12,000 rupees is paid by the venture here. Who paid that? Now, balance of a purchase consideration and also the registration expenses, which came to 8%, were met by Wadekar from out of his own resource. So Wadekar paid remaining 12,000 rupees plus 8% selling charges or fees or government tax, whatever, 8% on total sales, purchase consideration 60,000. So 8% on 60,000, how much? So 8% of 60,000. So 60,000 into 8%. How much? 4,800. And balance amount? 12,000. So 12,000 plus 4,800. Total 16,800. Paid by whom? Wadekar. Wadekar paid on 1/7/2017 16,800 for balance of purchase consideration and registration charges. Okay. Now, next, Pataudi met the cost of preparation of the layout. So after purchasing Acryland, it has to be make a division of in plots. Okay, so that work is done by whom? Pataudi, and all the expenses of converting the land into layout is met by Pataudi here. So what all expenses he has incurred and how much he has paid and on which date he has paid. That information is very important here, because whatever amount they are investing on this land, they are entitled for interest. So here, first, leveling and engineering cost paid to the architects and town planners on 1/8/2017, rupees 250 per ground. So here per ground 250. How many grounds they made here? So what is ground here? That information will be provided later in this problem. So just remember on 1/8. So Agriland was purchased on 1/7/2017 and it has converted into layout, and that expenses were paid on 1/8/2017. 250 rupees per ground. So how many grounds we'll see later. Next, municipal fees. So local tax, municipalities has to be paid certain tax here. So that fees is paid by again whom? Pataudi on 1/9/2017. To convert it into the layouts and for construction of road and various other things and all, electricity supply, water supply and all, municipality has to be paid. So that fees is 400 per ground. So how many grounds they have made here? So on each ground they have to pay 400 per ground. Okay, so that is paid on which date? 1/9/2017. Okay, then next, advertisement expenses on 1/10/2017. 1/10/2017 advertisement expenses, that is 17,500. Here they are mentioned it is per ground, but it is for entire Agriland. So on each land no one pays the advertisement expenses. No, for entire business they pay advertisement expenses. So it's a misprint here. Okay, print mistake. So 17,500 entire amount paid on 1/10/2017. Next, entertainment expenses on 31/12/2017. 1,120 per ground. Okay, we'll see that per ground or entire amount. Next, plots were advertised for sale in newspaper on 15/9/2017. This date nothing to do here, but it is understood that advertisement made on 15th of September itself, but the expenses of advertisement paid on 1/10. And on this basis of response, the entire acre was dealt with as under. So entire acre means entire land, how they divided, that information will be provided now. So here, whenever we purchase the Agriland and convert it into the plots or layouts, here entire Agriland cannot be utilized for making a layout. Certain amount of land should be kept for construction of roads, for making playground, or for making garden or park, or maybe for government officers, police station, municipal officers or panchayat. various things. Certain amount of land should be kept idle, which is waste, we can say also. Okay, so 15% of total acre was to be left for roads, marketplace, police station, and park. So this much, 15% of total, 5 out of 5 acres land, 15% land is kept for these all things. Then 10 plots each of 3 and 2.5 and 1.5 grounds were made. So what is ground? That information has not provided yet. Just remember 3 grounds and 2.5 and 1.5 grounds were made. Total 10 each. 10 grounds of 3, okay, and 2.5, 10, and 1.5, 10. Next, the balance area was taken equally by Wadekar and Patodi. So after making these divisions, 3, 2.5, and 1.5 ground, so whatever land left, that will be taken by both co-ventures here equally. Okay, how much ground they made, how much area left, those all things we do in working notes here. And the next information is 1.5 ground plots carried a premium of 50%. So about the charges here, we don't know what is the charge of each ground here. Okay, we have to calculate it. So here 1.5 ground plots carried a premium of 50%. 50% premium, whatever may be the cost of that land here, on it 50% margin we can say also. And 2.5 ground plots a premium of 40%, and 3 ground plots a premium of 25% of over cost. So whatever the maybe the cost of per ground here, on and above that, this much percent of cost or premium should be added. Now, Patodi to receive 8% of the sale proceeds as the management fees for his effort. So Patodi has made a lot of effort. So after purchase of agri land here, he has leveled the land. He has converted them into layouts or plots. Then he has paid advertisement expenses and all. So he look after the sales here. So he has to be paid 8% of the total sale proceed. So what is the sale proceed that is not given here? That we have to calculate now. So this is the problem where ready food is not there. We have to calculate everything here. So last 2 classes where we solve the problems where everything is given readily. So this much worth amount goods were purchased, and for this much amount it has been sold, this much is left. So such information here, no. So last paragraph, the entire transactions were put through by 31st December 2017. Show the joint venture account and the statement of account settlement between the ventures. So here that means on 1/7/2021 agri-land was purchased. It has been converted into layouts by 1/8/2017. On 1/9/2017 they have converted, and on 15th September advertisement has been made, and all the plots were sold by 31st December 2017. That means in the span of 6 months they have completed everything here, and also they sold out the entire land. Nothing is left as per the information provided here. Nothing is left, just whatever the portion is left, that is taken equally by the both the ventures here. Okay, now here last information, 1 acre is equal to 18 grounds of 2400 square feet each. So ground means what here? 1 acre is divided into 18 parts, so that means 18 grounds here. Okay, now we have converted the plots into different size grounds, that is 3 grounds, 2.5 grounds, and 1.5 grounds. So first calculation we have to do here is calculation of the land, total land, how many grounds they can make and how many grounds are land left, which is taken equally by the both the partner, or sorry, ventures here. Okay, so let us calculate first working note here. So first working note to estimate the land here. So here uh, total land was taken was 5 acres land, and each acre having 18 grounds. So 5 acres into 18 grounds. So total how many grounds we get here? Hmm? So first working note for calculating number of grounds. So total land was 5 acres. So 18 grounds into 5 acres. So that is 90 grounds. So total here they can make 90. Total available grounds are 90 grounds here. Now out of 90 grounds, 15% of the land is reserved or kept for roads, police station, market, and etc. etc. So remove that 15% out of this land here. Okay. So here area left for road, market, police station. Okay. So that is 15% of the land. So 15% of the land means total available land or ground is 90 grounds here. Out of 90 grounds, we have to remove 15%. So that is 90 into 15%. So how much 90 into 15%? So 90 into 15%, 13.5. Okay. So remove 13.5 grounds out of 19 grounds. So how much left here? 76.5 ground. 76.5 ground is left now. Out of 76.5 grounds, they have made different size layouts or plots here. Okay, each size 10 plots they have made. So what are those sizes? So here this is the balance left, balance ground. So this ground is divided into 10 into 3 grounds, 30 ground, then 10 into 2.5 ground. So that is our 2.5 grounds. So 25 grounds. Then 10 into 1.5 ground, total 15 ground. So total here 15 plus 25, 40, 40 plus 30, 70 grounds. 70 grounds they made here. Okay, so balance how much left here? 6.5 ground is left. So this 6.5 ground is taken by both partners equally. Okay, so ground left for co-ventures, and this is taken away by both equally. So 6.5 divided by 2, that is 3.25. So here this is acquired by Wadekar. Wadekar has taken 3.25. Then Patodi has taken 3.25. Total 6.5. So balance left 0. So to out of 90 grounds, 15%, that is 13.5 ground is kept for road, market, police station, and etc. etc. Then out of remaining 76.5 ground, 30 grounds of 3 ground each, and 25 ground of 2.5 ground each, and 15 ground of 1.5 ground each. So total 70 ground has converted into saleable plots, and remaining 6.5 ground is taken away by both partners equally. So this is the first working note. So next working note. for calculation of the cost of total land. Here we are not calculated the cost of land. Okay, so second working note. So second working note for calculation of cost of land. Okay. So first here, how much amount they paid to purchase the land to the vendor? 60,000. Total they paid 60,000. That is considered as purchase consideration. Purchase consideration 60,000. Okay. So here out of this 60,000, 48,000 is loan and 12,000 is given by Vadekar. Okay. Now apart from this 60,000, 8% charge is paid. Registration charge 8% on 60,000 is paid. That is amounted to what? 4,800. So here add that whatever expenses incurred until the land is converted to layout, that has to be added here. So first registration cost 12%. So here add that registration cost 8% on 60,000. So that is 4,800. Okay, yaar kottaru sambandhilla, just they have paid. Now next, they Patodi has paid leveling of land and engineering fees, architecture fees, etc., etc., for converting into the plots. So how much he has paid? The information given is 250 per ground. So 250 per ground. Saleable grounds are 70 grounds. Here this 250 rupees per ground should be taken on 70 grounds or total of 90 grounds. On what? Who will tell? Come on, quick. Here, leveling or conversion of a land into a plots. Entire area is utilized, no? Work is done on entire land. So just we are converting one side, so just one plot or 2 ground, 3 ground, we don't make anything. On total 5 acres, the amount is spent here. Okay, so total 90 ground into 250 rupees. How much? That is leveling and engineering cost. Leveling and engineering cost at 250 per ground. So here that is rupees 250 into 90 grams. So 250 into 90, how much? 22,500. So 22,500. So this 22,500 paid by whom? Patodi. Patodi 22,500 on 1/8/17. Okay, just that information we need later. Remember that. Next expenses is municipal fees on 1/9/2017, 400 rupees per ground. So again here 400 rupees per ground on how many grounds? So here it is a conversion charge. While they are converting the land into plots, they have paid this. So on again total area 90 grounds. So 90 grounds, that is municipal charges. Municipal charges rupees 400 per ground. So that is rupees 400 into 90 grounds. The total 36,000 rupees. So this 36,000 is paid by again whom? Patodi. 36,000 on 1/9/2017. So this is registration charge. This is leveling charge, and this is municipal charge. So this is the cost incurred to convert that land. So here we can say it is as a fixed cost or capital cost. Okay, so next again they have paid a few more expenses. What are those? Advertisement expenses 17,500 rupees and entertainment expenses 1,120. So here 17,500, this is a selling expenses. Remember, this is not the cost of land here. Okay, after conversion of land, even if you have not spent that much amount, even you would have informed thoroughly to the known people also, you would have spent less amount there. So that amount, advertisement expenses amount, is not included here to the calculation of cost of land here. Remember, so that is why that amount should not be taken here. And entertainment expenses. So entertainment expenses is paid on 12th December 2017. That is when the sale proceed is paid. So entertainment expenses may be here. They have made a function, small inauguration function, where all the purchaser of agri-land or sorry plots, they gather together. They spent on tea, tiffin, or meals, or maybe decoration, whatever. So again, this cost is not included in cost of land here. So that is the revenue expenses we say. Both advertisement is a selling expenses, and here this is also selling expense to impress the people, to impress the customer. So to make customers happy, they have spent that amount. So that should not be included here in this one. And next, they have paid interest. So the land was completed on 12th, and everything, entire amount is paid on 12th. That is 12th month. That is 31st December. So that means for 6 months the bank loan was due. So for 6 months they have to pay the interest to the loan taken from bank. How much interest? So here interest is agreed at 16% per annum. So how much loan they have taken? 48,000. So for on 48,000, 60% interest for 6 months. Okay. So here next, interest on bank loan of rupees 48,000 at 16% per annum. So here it is for 6 months. For 6 months. That is from 1/7/2017 to 31st December 2017. So on 48,000, 16% for 6 months. How much? 3,840. 3,840 rupees. Okay. Now, along with this, again, interest of both partners should be paid here. That is interest on capital they have invested here. So Wadekar has invested here 16,800 on 1/7/2017. So interest on his investment should also be paid. That is also part of what? Cost of land here. Okay. So for now, interest on Wadekar investment. So he has invested how much? 16,800 into. So here agreed rate of interest on ventures investment is 10%, which is mentioned in the first paragraph of the problem. So 10% per annum into 10% for 6 months. So that cost, so 16,800 into 10% for 6 months, that is 280 rupees. Just a minute. 16,800 into 10%. Okay, 840 rupees. So interest on Wadekar investment is 840 rupees. Now, Patodi. Patodi has invested 4 times here. That is on 1/8/2017, 22,500 for leveling charges, and 1/9/2017, 36,000 municipal charges, and advertisement expenses, which doesn't come here, but interest on that also should be paid. That will not appear here. Remember. Okay, and next last on 31st December he has spent refreshment expenses, so there no interest at all. Okay, so here now Patodi's interest on Patodi's investment. Okay, so first amount is interest on 22,500 at 10% per annum for 5 months. So that amounts to 22,500 into 10% into 5 for 5 months into 5 divided by 12, that is 937.5. Then second amount has invested on 36,000 into 10% for 4 months. So that amount to 36,000 into 10% is 3,600 for 1 year. Now for 4 months into 4 divided by 12, that is 1,200. So total interest on Patodi's investment, that is 1,200 plus 937.5 is 2,137.5. Along with this interest, advertisement expenses he has invested on 1/10/2017. So interest on that amount has to be paid, but that is not a part of land cost of land here. So now almost all expenses are met here. Now it's the time to make the total and check the amount or cost of total land. Okay, now let us make the total. So first 60,000 plus 4,800 plus 22,500 plus 36,000 plus 3,840 plus 840 plus 2,137.5. So total amount is of total cost of the land is 1,30,117.5. So this amount is the cost of total 5 acres land. That is 90 grounds. Remember here, this is the total amount of 90 grounds. But here we are not made 90 grounds and we are not selling all 90 grounds here. Because 15% of the ground is waste, as it is kept reserved for road and other things. And 6.5 ground is kept for the both ventures. So saleable ground is only 70 grounds here. 76.5 ground we have to take, not 70 ground, 76.5 ground. Just leave 15% of the ground, because whatever land here taken by Patodi and Wadekar, it has also a cost. Okay, so total out of 90 grounds, 15% ground is left for road and other things, So remaining 76.5 ground. This is the cost for 76.5 grounds now. Okay. So that is 1,30,117.5 divided by 76.5. That is amounts to 1,700.88. Approximately is equal to rupees 1,700. So here cost of each ground per ground 1,700 rupees. So they have made ground of 3, ground of 2.5 and ground of 1.5. So per ground here 1,700. So if it is a plot of 3 grounds, so it's 1,700 into 3. If it is a plot of 2.5, then 1,700 into 2.5. Got it? The per ground is rupees 1,700. Now they have made 3 different kinds of plots. Plots which have 3 grounds and 2.5 grounds and 1.5 grounds. So again they mentioned here what is the premium on each ground, on cost, on and above cost, how much. Okay, so now sale proceeds, total sale proceeds. Okay, so first here selling price, first half, 1.5 ground plots carried a premium of 50%. Okay, so here selling price 1.5 ground plot, okay, carrying the 50% premium. Okay, so here cost of per ground is 1,700 rupees per ground into 1.5. Okay, on and above this, that comes to 1.5 into 1,700. How much? 1,700 into 1.5, that is 2,550. Now 50% premium should be added on this amount. So plus 50% on 2,550. So how much here? 2,550 into 50%, that is 1,270. So total amount 3,825 per plot, per layout. So such total how many plots are there? 10 plots. So here per layout, and they have made 10 layouts. So total selling price. So here 3,825 per layout into 10. So 38,250 on 1.5 plot they have got. Now second 2.5 layouts. So at what, how much mentioned they have here? So they have mentioned 2.5 plots, a premium of 40%. So 40% premium. So 1,700 into 2.5 is equal to, so 2.5 into 1,700, that is 4,250. So plus 40% on 4,250 is equal to 1,700. 1,700 plus 4,250 is equal to, per land is 5,950. And they have made such 10 plots. So into 10, 59,500 is the selling proceeds. And last plot, so third size is 3 grounds plot. So 3 ground plots, a premium of 25% over cost. So that is 3 ground plot, 25% premium. Okay, so 1,700 into 3 plot is equal to, so 1,700 into 3 is equal to 5,100, and 25% on 5,100 is equal to 1,275. So 1,275 plus 5,100 is equal to 6,375. That is per plot. Such 10 plots they have made. So into 10 is 63,750. So total sales proceed is 63,750 plus 59,500 plus 38,250. That is 1,61,500. So total sale proceed is 1,61,500 rupees. So all plots total they have made 76 plots. So sorry, 70 plots they have made. Out of 76.5 grounds, they have utilized 70 grounds, and they have made 30 plots of 1.5 ground, 2.5 ground, and 3 ground. So after selling all of them, they have made sale proceed of 1,61,500.